This over here is your spacious living and dining area. This over here is the space of your master bedroom. This over here is the space of your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Cabra Tiara by Cabra Group located in Goregaon East, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. Right behind me, you can see the actual tower and the construction is in full swing. Also, you can have a look at the road and the neighborhood of the project, and the road that you can see to my right connects you directly to the Western Express Highway. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, speaking of the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.50 acre that will have one tower of ground plus 22 floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Speaking of amenities, this project has 15 plus amenities with multi-purpose hall, garden, gym, kids play area, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. Talking about location and connectivity, this project is located opposite to Oberoi Mall near to Western Express Highway, Goregaon East, Mumbai, from where Oberoi Mall is at distance of 240 meters, Western Express Highway is at distance of 300 meters and Dindoshi Metro Station is at distance of 1.1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. Now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we are entering the 2 BHK of the residential project Cabra Tiara. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 704 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You can see how spacious your living is. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. Also, you can easily place your 3 sideways sofa, your center table and customize your TV unit in the living area. Also, in the living, you will be getting full French windows with glass facade for safety and beautiful standing balcony view. And in this corner, we have your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table. Also, you can see you have plenty of walkable space so you can easily address gatherings of friends and family at festivals and occasions. And now, moving forward, on this side, we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can see how spacious your kitchen is. And also you can see you have space provided to place your refrigerator in this corner. And again in the kitchen you will be getting a very spacious dry area where you can place your washing machine. Moving forward to the other side of the apartment. On this side, we have the entrance to your bedrooms and common washroom. First, over here in this corner, we have a common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Opposite to your common washroom, we have your common bedroom. As we enter, you can see this over here is the space of your common bedroom where you can easily place your queen size bed along with your side tables. You can see you have walkable space even after placing your furniture. You can also have a look that you have wardrobe space provided and you can also customize a study corner if you wish to. And again, you will be getting full French windows with glass facade in this bedroom as well. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you will get a foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy, and this over here is the space of your master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You can customize your TV unit. And in this bedroom as well, you will be getting full French windows with glass facade. Also, you can see you have wardrobe space provided that is very spacious, and you can also build lofts if you wish to. Moving forward, right to the right of the entrance of your bedroom, we have your private washroom that will again come with anti-skip tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Cabra Tiara by Cabra Group. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Cabra Tiara by Cabra Group located in Goregaon East, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.